Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Now I want to go back to basics when it comes to rendering. I'm making a whole bunch of tutorials for my work, thought I might as well make it as a video for YouTube, and it's basically showing you the advantages of using a render region. So let's say, for talking's sake, I have this really busy scene and the client wants to change the colour of an object. So let's quickly just change the colour. Now I don't want to render out what's on the left and what's on the right of this scene. Everything was static, I was pretty much happy. Even if the camera is moving, I'm pretty happy. I only really want to render out this part here. And this is where render region comes in incredibly powerful, and it can save you a whole lot of render time. So if we go to view, you can see here, view regions. Now we have two options. The clipping region essentially works in geometry, but the render region is the one that we're interested in. The shortcut for this is Control plus B, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to box select what I want to render, and there we go. I'm pretty much happy with that. I don't need to render out everything in the scene. I can save a lot of time. I can just drop this into a composition. I'm happy days, happy days. So I'll just hit F12 just to show you. So you'll notice that everything here gets essentially saved with a transparency, so you can quickly throw it over the object. And that is pretty much render region, and it does save you a lot of time. Now to clear this, what we can do is we can go to view regions and clear render region, and the shortcut for this is Control Alt and B, and that'll basically render the whole scene again. And that is pretty much the view render region. It's incredibly powerful, it comes in handy. Thank you for watching the tutorial. You know what to do. Take care.